Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you're here. Why not relax and listen to a story or two? It's our vagabond story. From our first RV renovation to getting legal to actually starting to travel a little bit. Here's how it all started. When the time came, I retired. Wendy and I moved to Michigan. Why Michigan? Well, that's where our parents decided to retire. So we became caregivers, only dreaming of travel, the open road, some tie-dyed t-shirts, easy jeans, and some good music. After all, isn't that what retirement's all about? During the Michigan years, I renovated a little Class C motorhome. Actually, I ended up doing a lot more renovation than I figured. When that finally was finished, we took a few shakedown cruises, made a few adjustments, and called the whole thing good enough. It's good enough to take us down the road. It's good enough to be at least somewhat comfortable. It's good enough to be at least somewhat reliable. Well, in the fullness of time, our parents passed on. Somehow we didn't want to stay in the frozen north, spending our golden years shoveling snow and huddling by the fire. So Wendy retired and off we went, rolling down the road, gonna make some dreams come true. Well, we don't have a dog or a cat named Kalamazoo, but we'd like to make some dreams come true. The first step, of course, is to do the relative visitation. Then it's time to domicile. In this country, you gotta be from somewhere. A place where you can get license and tags and so forth. And of course, we wanted to do the most honorable thing a nomad can do. Search for the perfect place, the perfect day, with the perfect weather. So our story starts. Sometimes it all works out. Sometimes it doesn't work out at all. Most of the time, all we can do is laugh at the fine mess we've made out of things. So, click in and enjoy the story. It all starts with an old RV and a little springtime trip to Lake Michigan. But that's another story.